now declare NCAA Season 100 volleyball competitions open. Let the games proceed.
Balik telebisyon ang NCAA Season 100. And this time, indoor volleyball tournament naman ang bibida. Sa opening ceremony, ibinandera ng mga NCAA school ang kanilang roster para sa men's, women's, juniors at girls volleyball. Present ang mga NCAA Mancom representative, maging si GMA Integrated News Regional TV and Synergy Senior Vice President and Head, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso. Ito ang first time na 2 rounds ang eliminations ng NCAA Indoor Volleyball bilang pagdiriwang ng centennial year ng liga.
Every game now is important. Aside from stepping up the level, no, it's a more grueling.
February 20 nagsimula ang first round of eliminations ng NCAA Season 100 Indoor Volleyball Tournament kung saan Mapua University ang nangunguna ngayon sa men's volleyball na may 9-0 win-loss record. Habang sa women's volleyball naman, 4 na eskwelahan ang tied at first place na may 7-2 win-loss record. Ang Letran, Benilde, Mapua at Perpetual. Mapapanood ang NCAA Indoor Volleyball Tournament tuwing Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday at Sunday sa GTV at Heart of Asia Channel. Nico Wahe, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.